Hey everyone, welcome back. If the Trump account's app crashes the moment you tap it or just won't launch at all, here's the fix from your iPhone settings and the App Store. No login needed. First, swipe off from the bottom of your screen and then close the app completely from your recent apps. Now, press and hold the app icon on your home screen. Tap Remove App, delete app, then delete the app to fully uninstall it. Next, open your App Store, search Trump account's official app, and tap Get to reinstall it completely fresh. As a newly launched government app, it has already shipped multiple fix updates. So, running an old build is one of the most common reasons it crashes on open. After reinstalling, go to your Settings app, then go to General, then go to Software Update and install any pending iOS update, since the app requires iOS 17 or later to run at all. If it still crashes, go to your settings again and then scroll to the list of apps and find Trump and make sure that low data mode is not limiting the app under its cellular settings. So all you've got to do is delete the app, reinstall it from the App Store, update your iOS to 17 or later. The app will normally open and that's it. Subscribe for more Trump accounts app fixes.